In our organization, we have that symbol like this bomb. That bomb represents Vajrayani's mind. So our stroke is a bomb. So when we see that bomb in Kechara outlets, in Kechara house, that bomb represents Vajrayani's mind, Vajrayani's paradise, Vajrayani's attainments, Vajrayani as the Yidam, Vajrayani as a supreme Buddha for us. So when we see that, it represents Vajrayani. And the reason I think that is because to put Vajrayani's body everywhere would be desecration. Why? We put on envelopes, we put on a new signboard, it's outside, birds shit on it, and there's pee, there's rain, and all that stuff. It's not very respectful of Vajrayani. So because it's in physical form. But when I put it in symbolic form, such as calligraphy, such as the bomb letter, it's more respectful. But for people who understand it, it reminds you who you're working for, Vajrayani. It's symbolic. And also that bomb letter represents Vajrayani's mind. Her enlightenment with that mind. So for people actually seeing that letter, it will be a blessing to them. It will make a link to them towards Vajrayani. Okay, in our organization.